After 3 tours in Iraq, I was assigned to Fort Bliss. Within a few months, a motorcycle accident changed my life. James Kennedy got me the settlement I needed to care for my family.
I'm attorney James Kennedy. I take pride in representing the people right here in El Paso. If you've been injured, you are no match for the insurance companies, but I am.
If you've been injured, you need a lawyer who's local, who's experienced. Call 544-5200 for your free consultation.
James Kennedy, now that's one tough law firm.